Diastasis recti, or separated abdominals. This is an issue that so many women struggle with after pregnancy. In fact, my own wife, her abdominals were so separated that I could make a fist and I could fit my entire fist in between her abdominal muscles. And this happens when the tissue in the middle of the abdominals stretches and becomes incredibly thin. And then what happens is our waist gets a little bit bigger, and so we don't have as much core stabilization available, and then eventually back pain, all sorts of things. So the trick to diastasis recti is learning how to properly stabilize your core again using some simple core moves that I'm gonna show you today. So give these a shot, all right? For the beginner variation, I'm gonna show you a few keys that you're gonna maintain throughout all the variations. First is pushing your lower back into the ground and lifting your head off the ground a little bit like this, but extending through the top of your head. If you need to, you can put a pillow under your head for support. Then palms toward the sky and fingertips away from the ears like this. Finally, lift your knees up towards your chest and bring them towards your chest as much as possible, almost with the feeling of trying to balance your body on your lower back. If you can hold this for 30 seconds with good form, then move to the next variation. Simply extend the legs to 90 degrees like this, and then bring the thighs to a vertical position. Again, see if you can press that lower back in the ground and hold this for 30 seconds. If you can, try this variation. Next, extend the legs and come down to about a 45-degree angle. Again, keep the lower back pushing the ground the whole time. If it lifts off, you went too far too fast. But if you can hold this for 30 seconds, then go to the next variation. Point your thumbs towards the ground and lift your arms overhead like this. Again, hold for 30 seconds, and if you can do this, move to the next variation. And finally, drop your heels till they're just above the ground, keeping the lower back pushing the ground, and work towards holding this for 30 seconds with perfect form. If you can do this, well, you will have stabilized your core, strengthened it, protecting your back, making your body feel so much better. Because when you move your body better, you feel better in your body.